Hi everyone! Today, let's draw an animal costume cat. First, let's draw the shape of its head. Next, the eyes. Let's draw the cheeks. And lips. A little hair bangs. Next, the two little ears. A face of a cat. And its whiskers. Let's draw the shape of its body. And arms. Lastly, its long tail. It's time to color this cute costume cat. Look, it's wagging the tail. Do you know that cats are not just pets? They're pint-sized bundles of joy with quirks and charms that make them the stars of our homes and hearts. The kid is enjoying the music. Would you like to wear a cat costume to your Halloween gathering? We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.